Welcome to signing into Google on your mobile device. I've got quite a few emails here. I better check them. Oh, look at that. I've got one from Rebecca. And she sent me a Google Doc. Let me open that up. Oh no, I'm in a different Google account. I can either switch my account or request access. I don't want to request access. She'll have to send it again. So I switched to my YISD account. Now look at that, the document opened perfectly. Every one of the Google applications has its own app on my mobile device. Look at, here's Meet. Let's see how that works. First, I'm going to enter the bit.ly that we have for our Google Meet. Now it's going to open. Ask to join. Why does it say ask to join? Oh, look at that. I'm in my wrong Google account. I need to switch back to my YISD account. I click the switch button and I choose my YISD account from the list. Oh, it says join meeting. It doesn't say ask to join. I'm in the correct account. Thank you for watching.